Here's all you need for a basic chocolate sponge cake. Some eggs, butter, self-raising flour, caster sugar, cocoa powder and a teaspoon of baking powder. Don't worry if you haven't got any baking powder, because you're using self-raising flour you don't really need it, but it does give it an extra bit of lift, so if you have got some, use it. To a bowl, put 200 grams of your softened butter with 200 grams of sugar, and we're going to whisk those up till they're light and creamy. On it ending up something like that. With your eggs and sugar nice and creamy, we're going to mix in 3 eggs that you've mixed into a bowl. Don't put them all in at once, we're just going to mix them in bit by bit. Once you've mixed those in, you're ready for your dry ingredients. Into your wet mixture, you're going to sieve in to get some air into the mixture, self-raising flour, a teaspoon of baking powder and 50 grams of your cocoa powder. Then use a spatula, don't use a whisk you've been using, and you just want to fold those in until all the mixture comes together. With your cake mixture done, it's time to get some oil into your cake tin. Get a little brush, make sure it's completely covered, the sides, bottom, everywhere. Then into there you're going to put a little template of some grease-proof paper that you've cut out, press it down into the oil so it sticks, and then it's in with your cake mixture. Then you're going to put this in the oven at 180 for about 30 minutes. Punch a little wooden tester, comes out lovely and clean so you know it's done. Take it out of the oven, then just go around the edge loosely with your knife, just loosen it up, and then turn him upside down, give him a little tap to coax it out. There you go. Take the tin off, take the lid off, take your grease-proof paper off, and that's your basic chocolate cake done.